We could do just for driving.
Yeah.
No delivery though. Just think about it. Pork belly, smoked until juicy and tender, and then deep fried. Two of the things that give me most pleasure in cooking is smoking on the barbecue, of course, and deep fry. And we're going to put these two together and create magic with this beautiful pork belly. This is a Swedish pork belly, a farm pork belly that is like local and homegrown, like all the good things you want. And you can see it because there's a lot of meat and there's a lot of intramuscular fat. So that means a lot of flavor in this pork belly. Now we're going to need to prepare this because we can't put it on the barbecue and in the deep fryer because, like, look at this piece. It's so big. It won't fit. Now it's time to prep our pork belly. First, I'm going to cut it down to size to fit my fryer. These are pieces of around 1 kilogram. And I want to maximize the surface, just like the Chinese do. More surface means more flavors. So I'm cutting them into cubes almost all the way to the bottom part, but I'm making sure they're still attached. Now that we've got all this surface, it's time to start making some seasoning. We're going to start our seasoning off with 1 part table salt, 1 part curry powder, 1 part paprika powder, half a part chili powder, half a part onion powder, and half a part ground black pepper. Now this is spicy. Now we're gonna sprinkle on all of these beautiful spices onto our pork belly and look at the color transformation. This is already starting to look good. But I want to make sure I get it in between the cracks. I know the jokes are coming now. Make crack jokes, whatever you want, guys. But you're not keeping me from making this pork belly nice and tasty. Of course, we're gonna do all sides and get as much flavor on as we possibly can. Make sure you finish every little bit of that rub. Get in on all the pieces. Celebrate life. Get as much flavor in as you possibly can. There we go. All that salt, all that chili powder. That's gonna be so tasty. And now that that's done, it's time to fire up the barbecue. I got my Bernhard pellet smoker set up to roasting temperatures. We're gonna be roasting this pork belly because we want crispy outside and we want maximum amount of flavors because we already have fat. And of course we need to keep a check on the temperature because we want to reach a core temperature of around 65 degrees Celsius. Putting the thermometer in, there we go. Close the lid and let them cook. After an hour of smoking, our pork belly is ready. The fat rendered down, the edges crunched up, and now I'm gonna let them air dry to make sure that we get the perfect batter on the outside. Look at how beautiful our pork belly looks. It's insane. And normally I would cook it to this level, but you know, we're gonna deep fry it now. We're going to take it to the next level, like the ultimate level. Except there's one thing that's annoying me. There's like this one little piece. I get so obsessed with that little piece that it's so ugly. We're just gonna have to eat it up front because, Morrison, honestly, we can't put this on camera. That piece is so ugly, it needs to be eaten.
It's terrible.
One for you, one for the dog. Eva? Kom, lekker toch? Hop. And one for the boss. I don't know why I'm frying. This is freaking amazing.
Stick to the plan. You gotta fry it. You gotta fry it.
But if we not fry it,
Yeah, I know it's good. It's amazing.
we can eat it now.
It's amazing.
Okay, let's vote for it.
No.
Eva, want to eat it now? Stick your paw up. Yeah, vote.
No.
Yeah. Yes, 2 votes. Eat it
I
now.
got 2 hands. You gotta fry it. Come on, go.
We'll just do what Marcin says, but we're not gonna like it, okay? I'm gonna be grumpy all the time. In my mind, I had the plan, we're going to fry it whole. One, we're going to fry whole, and the other one, we're going to fry in pieces. I don't know, I like it so much. I'm thinking snack, I'm thinking endless possibilities. I'm thinking we could do like a whole thing. I feel like Dr. Porkbelly right here. First, I'm gonna put in some flour, get it in there, and we want just a light dusting of flour. Of course, we wanna get as much off as we can again. Now it goes into the egg, get everything in there, and that's the tricky part. You have to get it in all these nooks and crannies because we want the whole batter thing to go on. It has to be like extra double thick because we're gonna have a crust that nobody's ever got anywhere. Not on fried chicken, not on like anything. This is like breadcrumbs going on right now. You don't need to season this anymore because this stuff is seasoned, this pork belly. You can't believe it, it's like so tasty already. You don't need anything extra. Shake it off a little on the sides, and now you guys are gonna see what it looks like. Whoa. That is one amazing pork belly that's gonna be fried and it's gonna turn delicious. This is it. This Marcin, this is going to be our worldwide chain of food. Smoke and fry. It is so good, and we can like smoke all of these pork bellies at home, and then we just ship them out to the stores.
Oh yeah.
And then they can fry them. All they need to fry, so they can't mess it up.
Yeah.
So you got the good quality pork belly, and then they fry and like this.
You better call Bernhard. Tell him that you want 8 Bernhards.
I need 100 Bernhards smokers.
Like that.
And like 1 million pigs. This is like what everybody dreams of. Like you can have like a hot version, like a medium heat or a low version, and all you can order on the side is like a fry and a salad. And the salad is gonna be like $50 for the salad because we don't really want to sell the salad.
The salad is just marketing.
For the wife, like, yeah, for the healthy, like you get like a big salad, like a bucket, but nobody cares about it. This is it.
Can I grab some drinks? I want to have like the real...
Get us a Coke. It's gonna happen now. We just need investors.
Yeah, we need investors.
So we need people with money, like 5 million, maybe 10. I don't know. Just.
It's perfection. Pure perfection.
Oh my freaking God. I don't know what to say. My advice to you, do not make this at home. Just wait until I have my restaurant set up. Come by, open the window of your car and just order a bucket of these.
Oh, this makes me so happy. That's beautiful. That's just beautiful.
We could do just for driving.
Yeah.
No delivery though.
No.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Big thank you to the patrons and the YouTube members. Hope to see you guys next time. Until then,
Eet smakelijk.
smoke and fry.
Smoke and fry.
That's right. You're back again. I just gave you a piece. Okay, come on, jump up. Come on, show the people what you want. Come, yeah. There you go. See? That's how we do.